Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look that, best possible, going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $2.70. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below $2.70, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above there, then that would definitely be a good sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yes, staying above 270, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. Right up around the 285 mark is going to be the key congestion point up there where the supply finally overwhelmed the demand on the day. So 285, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what this chart has already been doing, and that is just when you focus on the lows. If you notice how the lows have been acting, meaning they've been getting higher and higher, and if you picture those as stair steps, then yeah, as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, as long as these stair steps keep getting built in the upwards direction, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and sit back and just let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.